Hello everyone, this is lesson number 16, HSK5, and let's continue. Quickly repeat our words. 人生 life, 工人 worker, 稳定 stable, stabilize, 待遇 pay, treatment, this one, 发愁 to worry, to be anxious, 发愁平静 calm, quiet, 平静 he calmly the sea or sea surface or 冰情的接受了，also could be。帆船 sailboat， drunk to knock to bump into something， usually used with drunk down 了，drunk down。Also this one drunk down。So a measure word for ships and boats， 航行 to sail to navigate by the air also could be all water。继续 to save or savings， 二手 second hand。彩虹 rainbow， 包括 to include， 风 mad crazy， 辞职 to resign to quit office， 驾驶 to drive to pilot， 轮流 to take turns， 钓 to fish， 炖 a measure word for meals， 海鲜 seafood， 傍晚 in the evening， 傍晚舒适 cozy comfortable 舒适，干活 to work 干活，盼望 to long for something 盼望，干活 to work 盼望 OK， 盼望，陆地 land， 各自 each or respectively everyone each of them, so 各自 is a bit sometimes different to use. Is respectively or respectively, individual, separately. Wu, do not or never. Wu, something, do not refrain from something. 时刻, a point of time, moment. 时刻. Also remember they also could be all the time. 时刻准备着, continuously also sometimes. 着火, to be on fire. Low, to leak, to let out. Lay, thunder, and 随时 at any time. So the first one for today is 闪电 lightning. 电 it's electric. 闪 it's just flash, blink, shine. So blink of energy of lightning. You say lightning. Boson and blitzen. So let's see examples. A flash of lightning streaked across the night sky, followed by a peal of thunder. 夜空 a night sky. 紧接着 immediately following by something. 紧接着传来 to come from. 震这个 measure word. 雷声 sound of thunder. So 夜空中 so in the middle in a night sky, you can say in the night sky, right? In the night sky, 划过 appear, across, sliding, 划过 strict, 这个 strict across, having a lines of marks of different colors. Interesting. Strict. Continuous similar series of similar events. Okay. 夜空中划过一道闪电，道 immeasure word for 闪电 lightning. 紧接着 and instantly following by, but following by 传来一阵雷声，雷声 is a thunder, so followed by a peal of thunder. So peal, a measure word for loud ringing of bells. 一阵雷声 a peal of thunder. OK， 夜空中划过一道闪电，紧接着传来一阵雷声，传来 to come from. So I think for now it's 闪电，一道闪电 is okay. 划过 is also a bit drifting across, lining up, shoot through, moving through. 划过，划什么意思？啊，花钱，划破，划痕。More interesting. Okay. The lightning lit up the entire sky. For that instant, it felt as if the sky was about to collapse. 照亮 to illuminate, 瞬间 for a moment, 它 to collapse. 闪电照亮了 so the lightning lit up, light 这个是照亮 to illuminate, to light up, 照亮了整个天空，整个 the whole sky, the entire sky, you can say. 整个天空，那so you can say so or in that case，那一瞬间 that moment 啊，那一瞬间啊，那 that moment you can say 那一瞬间 or that instant that moment，那一瞬间感觉 feels 天都要塌下来。The whole sky is is going to 它下来 to collapse. 它 it's to collapse. 下来 it's to fall down. You can say collapse, fall down, end of the world. 它下来。For example, the house was collapsed. 房子它下来了，它下来了。它落 to cave into collapse. 闪电照亮了整个天空，那一瞬间感觉天都要塌下来。This one 都要 is like is going to do something. 那不是 have to will be. Okay, I think 天都 is a whole sky. What I think was about to something is 都要 this one about to do something. Next one 击 to strike to hit. A bolt of lightning struck a big tree, and the tree immediately caught fire. 闪电 lightning 立刻 immediately 着火 to be on fire 着火。一道闪电 so the lightning 击中了击it's to strike to hit 中 it's in a spot, so you can say hit in a target. 击中了大树 a big tree. 大树 and a big tree 立刻 immediately 立刻着火了 caught on fire. So 一道闪电击中了大树，大树立刻着火了 immediately go on fire. His words deeply struck my heart, making me feel very ashamed. 内心 inner heart inner being 惭愧 ashamed。他的话 his words 深深的击中了 so his words deeply 这个深深的 very deeply 击中了 struck 我的内心 my heart my inner feelings my inner part inside。嗯，新学过那个，嗯，我的内心，让我 and made me 感到很惭愧，feel very ashamed，感到很惭愧，惭愧。他的话深深地击中了我的内心，让我感到很惭愧。Next one is 拥抱 embrace to hug someone 拥抱 embrace. As you can see on the right side, just for pronunciation, yong and bao. On the left side, is just hand to show the meaning of these characters. He opened his arms and gave me a warm hug. 伸 to stretch, 温暖 warm. 他伸开双臂 so he stretched his arm, 双臂 two arms. 双臂 B it's another word for arm. 给了我 and gave me 给了我一个温暖的拥抱 and gave me one warm embrace, one warm hug. 温暖的拥抱。他伸开双臂，给了我一个温暖的拥抱。We said goodbye with a hug. Also, we were a bit reluctant to part. Our hearts were full of hope. Reluctant to part. Not wanting to do something. So, 不时 reluctant to part. 不时 dismay having left. Not let go, not give up. 不舍得 not to be able to do something. 一不是 OK. 告别 to part to bid farewell. To say goodbye, you can say. 不是 reluctant 内心 and heart 希望 to hope. So 我们用一个拥抱来告别. So we used one hug or one hug. So we hugged. Lie. Here's lie to do something. To 告别 to say goodbye. So we say goodbye with a hug. 我们用一个拥抱来告别。虽然 and nevertheless or also 有so 虽然 so also 有些不时 we have a bit we were a bit reluctant to apart. So this one 有些不时 some reluctance. This one is a bit hard to dismay have a 不时 okay. Just this one reluctant to apart. 但内心 but inside 充满了 was full of 希望 was full of hope 充满了希望。我们用一个拥抱来告别。虽然有些不时，但内心充满了希望。这算不时。One of the meanings is to throw something. For example, you do not want to part with me and let me leave home, addressing two or more persons. 你们舍不得我离开家 I leave home. 这个舍不得 I think the same, right? The same 不舍得舍不得 just more or less the same. Next one, 海里 sea mile. 里 it's a Chinese measure. It's Chinese measurement for distance. It's about half a kilo. Gong li it's 1 kilo, but hai li it's a sea mile, nautical mile, sea mile. 英里大道力量千米。Okay. Hai li is a sea mile. Sea mile is unit of equal to 1,852 meters. Okay. Or 6,000 feet. This ship has sailed for thousands of nautical miles and has finally reached its destination. Nautical, related to ship sailing or navigation. 航行 to sail, 到达 to arrive, 目的地 destination. 目的 it's your goal, D it's destination, so your goal destination. 目的地 place of destination. So this ship has sailed for thousands of nautical miles and has finally reached its destination. 这艘船已经航行了数千海里。这个OK， 终于到达目的地。So 这艘船 this boat 已经 already 航行了 sailed 数千海里，不是数千，千 is thousand，数千海里。So here's 数 shows several or for thousand, not 1,000, 2 or 3, 4,000. 数千海里，终于 and finally 到达 reached 目的地 destination。这艘船已经航行了数千海里，终于到达目的地。From here to the opposite bank, the distance is about 10 nautical miles. 从这里到对岸，大约有10海里的距离。So 从这里 from here 到对岸，to opposite 对这个 opposite 岸 bank or opposite coast 对岸，大约 probably or about 大约 has 10 miles 有10海里，是10海里的距离，距离是 distance so distance about 10 nautical miles. So 从这里到对岸大约有10海里的距离，10海里的距离。Next one 台阶 steps 台阶stair steps level stage. I think it's oh yeah. Also this one, to look opportunity to get out of awkward situation. 照台阶下，绕台阶下，绕台阶下。Okay. He took one step at a time, worked steadily, and eventually achieved success. 稳扎稳打 to make steady progress. 稳扎稳打，最终 finally achieved to gain to acquire. 他一步一个台阶 so one step one one step really one step interesting doorstep stage level 它一步一个台阶，稳扎稳打。To work have a steady progress, be slow and steady. 稳扎稳打。最终 and finally 取得了 gain or acquire 成功 success 取得了成功。它一步一个台阶，稳扎稳打，最终取得了成功。台阶 steps or but this steps is on a ladder, you know. Be careful because it's just a step. 小心 careful, try to fall. Walk a bit slower. Be careful of the steps and don't fall. 你走慢点 so you walk a bit slowly. 你走慢点。小心台阶 be careful on steps. 小心台阶。别摔倒了 and don't fall down. 别摔倒了。你走慢点，慢一点，慢点，小心台阶，别摔倒了 and don't fall. Next one, 未来 future. 未来 wait didn't still not lie come, so still not come. It's a future. We must look to the future and create a better life for future generation. 若言 to focus on 若言。子孙后代 future generation 子孙 is your it's your descendant and 后代 it's generation future whole it's next 代 generation 子孙后代创造 to create so 我们要若言未来 so we need to look at the future 若言to design, to gear, to perspective orientated. To have one eye on something, or we look to the future. 我们要若言未来，为子孙后代 for future generation 创造 create 更好的生活 a better life 更好的生活。我们要着眼未来，为子孙后代创造更好的生活。He is full of hope and longing for the future. 对于未来 so for the future 对于未来 or 为了 or 对于 the same for something 他充满了希望和憧憬 He full of 他充满了希望 He full of hope 和憧憬 and long for to look for something 憧憬 and vision look for aspire longing for something wow a lot of words 憧憬对于未来它充满了希望和憧憬 so it could be verb it could be noun also hopeful envision looking forward vision dream 憧憬 and last one 太太 madam wife 太太 he always addresses his wife as darling which sounds very sweet 他总是称呼他太太为亲爱的 so he always 称呼 to address his wife 他太太为 as 亲爱的darling 亲爱的听起来很甜蜜 and it's sounds very sweet 听起来很甜蜜甜蜜 is sweet 甜蜜称呼 to call so 他总是称呼他太太为亲爱的听起来很甜蜜甜蜜 This lady has very good taste. Her clothes and style are very fashionable. 品味 taste quality 时尚 fashionable trendy 这位太太很有品味 so this lady has very good taste 很有品味品 is a product 味 is a taste so good taste，品味。穿着 and wearing，穿着打扮都很时尚，都很时尚 always is very fashionable，时尚。This one 穿着打扮 making ways that one dress himself，穿着打扮。Because 穿着 it's clothes，打扮 it's to adorn, primp, dress up, to dress up, right? Appearance makeup. 穿着 so 这位太太很有品味，穿着打扮都很时尚 always very fashionable. And let's repeat. Today is a quick lesson because we need to hurry up. Sorry. But let's see. 闪电 lightning, 闪电。击 to strike, to hit. 拥抱 embrace, to hug, 拥抱。海里 sea mile, 海里。台阶 steps, 未来 future, and 太太 madam wife. This 台阶 be careful, not just steps, a stair, level, stage, staircase also, staircase. And next lesson will be longer because we have to go. So see you in the next one.